Two Kids and the Apple. Short moral story. Liam and Noah found a big, juicy apple under a tree. Both wanted it and began to argue. Nearby, an old man saw them quarreling and approached. He asked, "Why don't you share it?" Liam said, "But I want the bigger half." Noah nodded, agreeing. The old man smiled, cut the apple in half, and gave them one piece each. "Now, enjoy," he said. As they ate, they realized they had wasted time fighting instead of enjoying the apple together. Moral: sharing is better than fighting. Cooperation brings more joy than selfishness. Thanks for watching.